Are you using a Canon DSLR and unsure how to switch between RAW and JPEG? Many users stick with the default setting without realizing they can easily switch formats at any time. It's simple to do and gives you more control over your photos. In this video, I'll show you how to make the switch between RAW and JPEG. Let's dive in and change the format now. First, switch on your Canon camera, then press the menu button. Now tap on Image Quality, or you can click on the Set button here. From here, you can choose RAW or L. What you want, L stands for large and JPEG, or you can choose RAW plus L. That is a good option if you want the flexibility of RAW but also need a JPEG. Now try to take a photo and check that your image quality option has changed. And that's how you can toggle your camera's image quality between RAW and JPEG. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.